Alright guys, so at this point of the training, I really quickly want to explain some stuff to you, right? So there are at times when you buy a new domain name, you want to register a domain name for some clients. Especially when you want to design a client for a site for clients that you really don't know their business. For instance, okay, let's say for instance you want to design a site, a Korea website, because in this training I'm going to be teaching you how to also design a Korea website. So let's say you want to design a Korea website for a client and you don't know the purpose of that website, right? Or you want to design an online banking website for a client, or you want to even design a Bitcoin investment website for a client. Now, it is wrong for you to register such domain names with your information or the information of your client, right? So in this case, you now need to have what we call you now need to have a way of registering this domain name with some kind of name, that will not carry on, because when you go to whois.com and you enter a particular domain name, the name that you use in purchasing that domain name, will show up in Whois. So let's say you purchase a domain name from Mr. A, and when you are buying the domain name, because you're already registered with your domain registrar or the site that you buy your domain name from, your information will be used to purchase that domain name. So it's very, very wrong. So what you need to do in such cases is that you need to go to a site called fakenamegenerator.com. Right? So I repeat, fakenamegenerator.com. Generator.com will help you generate phone number, name, email, address, and even credit card number for you to use on your website. We used to use this information when trying to open a foreign business account, maybe PayPal account, digital account, a ClickBank account. So you will need this information, and you also need the format. For instance, the way USA number is written. For instance, again, zip code of USA. So you need all of this format when trying to register a domain name. So what you need to do is just go to fakenamegenerator.com and generate a particular name, generate a particular phone number that will be given to you side by side with that name, and you use those information to register that domain name. Now the reason why you have to do this is that so that when they go to whois.com and try to search or look for the name that was used to purchase that domain name, your own name will not appear there. So the name that you have taken from Whois and used to register such domain name will now be the name that will appear right in that domain. So just go ahead and maybe if you have a domain, just go to whois.com and try to search. You will see that your name will actually appear on whois.com as the owner of that particular domain. The day you purchase that domain, the date the domain is going to expire, and all of that. So when you want to do any of such site that you do not know the credibility of the owner, or even if you know the credibility of the owner and probably don't know the information of the owner, all you have to do is go to fakenamegenerator.com and generate name, email, phone number, whatever they like to register that particular domain name. You can actually apply this in so many ways, which I do not want to talk about right here. So I hope you get that very, very fine and clear. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next tutorial.